The wealth-saving habit. What if I told you building wealth starts with just 2 minutes? Most people save what's left over at the end of the month. And guess what, Mercs? Nothing's ever left. Your wealth is leaking from a dozen tiny holes. The secret? Flip the script. Don't save what's left. Spend what's left after you save. This is called paying yourself first. It's non-negotiable. Here's your 2-minute action. Right now, step 1. Open your bank app. Shows app icon. Step 2. Find recurring transfers or autosave highlights button. Step 3. Set it up. Choose a date like every payday. Choose an amount, even 5%. Hit confirm done. In 2 minutes, you just built your wealth engine. Why does this work? Because you're hacking your brain. By making it automatic, you remove willpower. The money is gone before you're tempted to spend it. You adapt to what's left. This small habit isn't about money. It's about future you, the one who can handle an emergency, take that dream trip, or say yes to an opportunity without panic. Your 2 minutes start now. Open your phone. Set the transfer. This is the most important bill you'll ever pay, the one to yourself.